The Heather Ludwig Day of Service is so that we can go out and make a difference in our community. And it gained its name from Dr. Heather Ludwig because she was a person who was dedicated to service. It was a daily thing for her. I sometimes wonder if she woke up thinking, how can I help another person each day? And so this is a way that we celebrate her life and we continue to make a difference on her behalf.
Well, our mission is to educate, enchant, and inspire appreciation of plants, butterflies, plants, insects, and the beauty of the natural world. We don't discriminate against other insects. And really, I mean, what it does for our community is it gives people a place to gather, to make memories, to connect with nature, to connect with each other, to find solace and well-being in nature. So, in a nutshell, I think that's what it does and what its purpose is. The future of Ryman Gardens is bright, and so we are right now 15 years into our most recent 20-year master site plan. So, as you know, or as you can tell then by that, right, we have a couple of years left in this current site plan that has been guiding us in how to develop our infrastructure, develop our garden spaces, develop our garden. We know that we are never getting any larger. We're landlocked by roads on all sides. And so this is the space that we have. And so this plan has been guiding us along with our strategic plan of how to best utilize this space to accomplish those goals of being a place for the community, being a place for the university, being a place for education. And so I'm looking forward to, in the next couple of years, updating that plan and having new designers come in and thinking about the next 20 years of how we develop the space. So, I think one thing is certain is that we will keep developing our collections to meet the education needs of the university community, meeting the display, needs of what people want. We've done surveys and people want wow, they want color, they want stuff, that is just incredible to see. And so continuing to build towards things that support those goals. Your service day is impacting us because we could not make all of this happen without volunteers. It takes thousands upon thousands of hours from volunteers to make what we do possible for the community. And so specifically what your group is helping us do is we are just coming out of our spring tulip bloom season. And so just last night I had a service group fraternity and they helped me dig out all of the bulbs that are done blooming now. The weather has been absolutely beautiful, and as much as I wanted them to stick around through Mother's Day weekend, we've had really nice warm weather and sunny, and so the bulbs just didn't last. So now it's time to clean out the beds, clean them up, rake them out, and eventually till them and get them prepared for planting our annuals. So that's the next step. Your group is going to help us finish cleaning out these beds and get it ready for spring planting. So we get a jump on all of the new plants for the summer being in.
She loved reaching out to the kids and how she could make an impact. That was one of the questions that she always asked herself, is how she could make an impact on all the kids around her. She really showed how you're not the most important person and that you can always reach out to other people and make sure that they are okay. She would say that she was really proud of everyone here and how this was her favorite event because she loved giving back to the community and helping out others. So seeing every high school student participating in something like this, she would be very proud of everyone. Probably how no matter where you sit in school and what you do, you can always make a difference and participate.
So the Day of Service this year was something very special. It was neat that we ended by celebrating and all gathering together before ending our day. And as Dr. Einsweiler talked about the fact that we had just given 1,000 hours of service that afternoon, I just kept thinking about how my friend Heather was happy and that she was celebrating that we continue to make a difference and that our community is a better place, relationships are stronger, and there is hope for what we can all strive to be, and that is caring about one another and being a giving community.